Did you know that in 2026, going live is going to be one of the fastest ways to start collecting leads? Because platforms like YouTube are going to be pushing more real-time, real connections. By the end of this video, you are going to be able to go live on YouTube so you could start taking those leads and turning them into passive income in 2026. And real quick before we get started, if you would not mind smashing that like button, hitting subscribe, and ringing the bell, it really does help tell the algorithm to share these videos with more people so they could also make passive income with AI. And if you do get value from these videos and you want to grab any of the assets or things that I talk about in these videos, just go to AIprofitchecklist.com and go and grab my completely free checklist. Once you grab the checklist, you will receive an email that has this Google Sheet. Whenever I mention any kind of resource, it is available on this list. And I also want to point this out that this is actually how you monetize YouTube the most efficiently. You build an email list, you collect emails, and in the end, you build that funnel that you monetize within your email sequence. But what you need in order to make sales to emails is to get leads. And one of the best ways in 2026 and beyond is going to be live streaming. If you have not started your first YouTube channel, I made a video showing how to set up your very first YouTube channel. I will put a link to that in the description of this video on YouTube. But once your channel is set up, you will come to a page that looks like this. You have a brand new YouTube channel. There is absolutely no data. It doesn't even have a suggestion because I haven't watched a video on this channel yet. It is brand spanking new. If you want to look at your brand new channel's analytics, you could always come over here to your PFP in the top right corner and come down here to where it says YouTube Studio, and it will show you your back office. So in order to activate live streaming for the very first time, you either need to be on this page in YouTube Studio, or you could just come here directly from your logged in youtube.com page, and you come up to this top tab right here where it says create, little plus icon with create to the right, and we click that. It is going to give us a couple different options. We have upload video, we have go live, and we have create post. Today, we are going to be focusing on going live, so I'm going to click go live. So now it has started a 24-hour timer. It says your requested streaming access on December 30th, 2025 at 5:52 p.m. Once it's available on your channel, you can schedule streams or go live instantly. So now I just need to wait 24 hours. The reason why they do this is to protect people from creating a bunch of YouTube accounts and just going live and spamming. This makes the platform better for you and me and makes it a safer environment. Now, if it does not automatically start this process when you click the button, it means that your account is not verified. If your account's not verified, you're going to need to go over to YouTube Studio. Once in YouTube Studio, you need to come over here to the bottom left corner where it says settings. Once in settings, you will come to this page, and we're going to come down to channel, and then we're going to come over here to where it says feature eligibility. Under feature eligibility, if these do not all say enabled, then you're going to want to go through the process of making sure that they are enabled. As you enable all of these and verify yourself, it's going to upload different features on your YouTube profile. In order to live stream, you need to verify at least to the second level, which it says live streaming right here. And you could also upload videos longer than 15 minutes, as well as custom thumbnails, which, if you ask me, are things that you need to have on YouTube no matter what. So make sure that you are always just verifying these. You just need to put in your phone number and it will verify that you're a real person. While you're here, you might as well verify the advanced features. You just need to have the intermediate feature verified, and then either verify using the video verification system, a valid ID, if your channel has some history. Once you have that, again, you just go up to create, hit go live, and it will bring you to this page. Now, at this point, you have to wait 24 hours. Once the 24 hours is done, then we're going to come back to this page and we're going to be able to live stream. Now, while you are waiting for your channel to be activated so you can go live, all you need to do is grab one of the many options to go live with. If you want to do a hardware option, there's things like OBS, there's also Streamlabs, but for OBS Studios, completely free, available for Windows, Mac, or Linux if you're a Linux user. And from this example, we could see that we have different scenes and then different source elements within, which include images, audio, video, browsers, or whatever we want to create our image from. All right, so now we are going to let 24 hours pass, and then we are going to test out our stream.
One day later.
All right, here I am, 24 hours in the future, and now I can go check and see if I can go and live stream. So again, either from youtube.com or YouTube Studio at studio.youtube.com, go up to the top right corner and click on create, and then go to go live. Now that 24 hours have passed, we have this new window that says welcome to YouTube Live Control Room. From this panel right here, it is how you would go live if you wanted to go live natively. In order to set up streaming with your YouTube account and OBS, you're going to need to come up here to the top corner. It may be a little different if you are on Windows or Mac or Linux, but on Mac, it is under OBS and then preferences, and it's going to give me this pop-up. In order to set up my streaming, I need to go to stream, and then we have this drop-down menu right here where we have different options like Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, or Restream. We're going to continue to have YouTube clicked, and there are two different ways to log in. One way is that you could connect your Gmail account and then connect your YouTube account through it. You would just click right here and you would just log into your YouTube account just like you were logging in directly on the browser. If you use this method, it is actually going to allow you to schedule your YouTube videos directly from OBS, so there is a perk to logging in. But if you don't want to log in and you want to use a stream key, all you need to do is click right here where it says use stream key, and then we could add in our stream key right here. Now, in order to get my stream key, it is very simple. I just come up here where it says default stream key. If I wanted to create a new one, I could create one right here. But keep in mind that if anybody ever gets your stream key, that they could stream to your YouTube channel, so never share your stream keys. I'm going to just use my default stream key, click the copy button right here, come back over to OBS, and I'm going to paste in my stream key and hit OK. All that I need to do to go live is hit start streaming, and it will start streaming to my YouTube channel. See, I have hello right here, and I can come back over to this page and it's already got a signal, which is excellent, and it's going to start showing hello. And if I come back over here and resize this, make it look a little different, it should update in my tab right here in just a matter of moments, depending on my latency. There we go. And now that I've refreshed my actual YouTube channel, we can see that there is a live stream. I didn't have any thumbnail, so I just used my header as its thumbnail. But if I click this, we can see that it is streaming everything that I am streaming from OBS. And if I added audio, if I added other elements, those would also stream as well. When I am ready to end my stream, all that I need to do is hit stop stream, and I am done streaming. Again, I'm showing you how to do this with OBS, but you could do this with any tool that takes a stream key. Now that you know how to go live easily on YouTube, you can do things like grow your email list with tools like High Level, or you could start a membership area with things like Patreon or Go Collab. And just as a reminder, if you want to follow along step by step, you can go to aiprofitchecklist.com and go and grab the checklist. I'm always updating this checklist, and it will give you the step-by-step guide in order to create your YouTube channel all the way to monetizing it. And it's also very important to remember that when I say monetize, I'm not necessarily just talking about YouTube monetization. There are so many different ways that you could start a YouTube channel, go live, and monetize on day one. I believe that 2026 and beyond is the time for live streaming and connecting with your audience. Are you going to go live in 2026 and start making passive income? Let me know in the comments. Again, my name is Jonathan Dunkerley. Keep creating, keep earning passive income, and I will see you in the next video.